I am extremely satisfied with my experience using FreshOne and can honestly say it has exceeded all of my expectations. From the moment I opened the package, it was clear that attention had been given to every detail. The product feels well made, durable, and thoughtfully designed. Setting it up was incredibly quick and straightforward, with no complicated instructions or unnecessary steps. Within minutes, it was up and running, providing a refreshing and comfortable airflow that immediately made a noticeable difference in the room. It has become an essential part of my daily routine, especially during warmer days when maintaining a cool and pleasant indoor environment is so important. One of the things I appreciate most is its impressive performance despite its compact size. It delivers a steady, refreshing breeze that helps make any space feel much more comfortable without taking up much room. Whether I'm working at my desk, relaxing on the couch, reading a book, watching television, or getting ready for bed, FreshOne consistently creates a more enjoyable atmosphere. Its portability is another major advantage, allowing me to move it effortlessly between different rooms depending on where I need it most. This flexibility has made it incredibly convenient, and I no longer have to rely on larger, less portable cooling solutions. Another standout feature is how quietly it operates. Noise can often be an issue with cooling devices, but FreshOne runs so smoothly that it never becomes distracting. I can comfortably use it while working from home, attending online meetings, studying, or sleeping without any interruptions. The controls are intuitive and easy to understand, making it simple to adjust the settings to match my comfort level. I also appreciate the sleek and modern appearance, which blends nicely with my home decor instead of looking bulky or out of place. It manages to combine style and functionality in a way that is both practical and attractive. The build quality has also impressed me. Every part feels sturdy and well constructed, giving me confidence that it will continue performing reliably over time. It's clear that the product was designed with both durability and user convenience in mind. I also value its energy-efficient operation, which allows me to enjoy a comfortable environment without constantly worrying about electricity usage. Having a product that balances performance with efficiency is a huge benefit, especially during periods of frequent use. What truly sets FreshOne apart is the overall user experience. Everything from the design and portability to the quiet operation and dependable performance contributes to a product that is enjoyable to use every single day. It has made my living and working spaces significantly more comfortable, and I find myself reaching for it regularly because of how reliable it has been. It's refreshing to purchase a product that not only meets expectations but genuinely surpasses them through consistent quality and thoughtful design. Overall, I highly recommend FreshOne to anyone looking for an effective, convenient, and dependable cooling solution. It offers an excellent combination of performance, portability, ease of use, attractive design, and outstanding value. Whether you're using it at home, in an office, or in another personal space, it delivers a comfortable experience while remaining simple to operate and easy to move wherever it's needed. I have been thoroughly impressed with every aspect of this product and would not hesitate to recommend it to friends, family, or anyone searching for a reliable cooling companion. It has proven to be one of the best purchases I've made for improving everyday comfort, and I look forward to enjoying its reliable performance for a long time to come.